Hello everyone. This video will serve to help students who have been assigned or just want to create a play. Now, what is a play? As defined by Marilyn Jean Bra, a play is a story we see and hear instead of one we read. In a story we read, we are told about what already happened, but in a play we see and hear what is happening. We can read a story with no one else around, but a play has live actors who go up on a stage and act out the story for many people to see and hear at the same time. These live actors pretend they are the people in the stories. They talk with words the playwright gives them to say and do things the playwright tells them to do. So when you write a play, you must write down what you want each person to say and do. If you don't know what a play script looks like, here is an example from the tragedy of Macbeth. As you see, some play scripts have acts, and inside those acts, they have different scenes. A very important aspect to take into consideration before writing a play script is to set the genre. Genre is a category of artistic, musical, or literary composition characterized by a particular style, form, or content. This is where you decide if you want your play to be a comedy, a farce, a satire, a tragedy, or based on historical events. Now, to write a play script, one must cover the basics of the elements of a play. First, we have the plot. The plot refers to the structure that the play will have. The plot is divided into different parts, which the first one is the exposition. The exposition, it refers to everything the audience needs to know to understand the play. Some questions that can serve as guides are: what is the setting? What is the situation? What information is revealed about the event and how is it revealed? The second part of plot is the conflict. This is the event or incident that sets in motion the action of the play. The third part is the climax, where all of the events lead to a turning point of the plot. It is where the emotional intensity of a play takes place. The resolution or denouement. It shows how the events culminate after the climax has been revealed. Going back to the elements of a play, now we have the second part, which is the characters. Here you will have the protagonist, the one who drives the action of the script. Then we have the antagonist, who is often the bad guy of the play, but could be anyone or thing that struggles against the protagonist. And finally, we have the secondary characters, who helps reveals some aspects of the main character or serves to help or support the main character. The third part of the elements refer to the setting, as to when and where does it happen, or where the story takes place. And finally, we have the theme, which is the playwright's message. The theme is expressed through words and actions of the characters in a series of situations that make up the plot. Remember that since it is through the characters that the theme will be expressed, try to use different statements throughout the play that the audience will be able to identify with or grasp what the theme is about. I hope that this video has helped you clarify some doubts about the elements of a play. Remember, if you still want more information about how to write a play, please don't be afraid to use the internet. This video has been made by Susana Rodriguez.